Hi, my name is Mary Slaughter. The purpose of this presentation is to show you how to create folders either on your flash drive or on some sort of storage medium or even in the cloud. Now, I have opened my Google Drive and I also have opened a folder. I want to open a folder that is for my CGS 1100 class that I'm teaching in summer 2014. I have a folder set up for that course. I'm going to click on it and you can see I've already set up some folders. I've set up folder Module 1, Module 2, Module 3, Module 4, all the way down to Module 7. I set that up for this particular class because in this class I teach 7 different modules. And what I want my students to do is when we're working in Module 1, you're saving all of your work to Module 1. When we're working in Module 2, you save all your work to Module 2. Then you don't get confused when you get ready to get into our learning management system and turn in your work to a Dropbox. You just go to whatever folder it is, wherever you've saved your work. I'm going to create another folder. In order to do that, there's multiple ways to do it. I'm going to click on the New Folder tab up here at the top. And when I do that, you will see that this is highlighted where it says New Folder. I'm just going to leave it that way, and I'm going to, well, I said I was going to leave it that way, but it actually clicked off, so I'm going to have to click on it one time again with the left button of the mouse, and I'm going to right click and I'm going to choose Rename. I'm going to come in here and I'm going to name it Data Files. And then I'm going to click down into the white space. So I've created a folder called Data Files. In this particular class, I give students data files to work with, and so instead of having to go from one place to another and look and find out where all your data files are, if you just have a folder in that particular class for all your data files that we will use, then you'll be able to do it. I personally feel like for every single class that a student takes, you should have a folder set up on your flash drive, on the hard drive of your computer, or out in the cloud somewhere that you save all of your work for every single class. And then inside of each class, you should have it set up so that your class, when you get into your class, it's set up according to the way your instructor teaches. So some would do it by the week, some would do it by the lesson, some would do it by the activity like test, projects, whatever. But you need to keep yourself organized, just as if you were keeping all of your work in a notebook and you had certain tabs in your notebook to separate out the sections. This is the end of this presentation.